update on this 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another episode of Frank and Carrie's Homestead. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you enjoy what I'm doing. Anyway, got an update on this Dodge Charger RT. All painted. Got to look like there's a vinyl top, chromed out the trim around the wheel wells, door handle, wiper blades. You can put some trim around the vinyl top, as you can see. Letting it dry good, and then I'm going to have to get some car wax and go over the red part of it, bring out the shine. Other than that, haven't been really doing a lot as far as on the model build. Been working on the wife's Christmas present, which I can't show on here because she watches my videos. So you're going to have to wait for that one until after Christmas. If you got any questions, somebody asked me if on the GMC pickup build, the little accessories that was sitting around the pickup in the video, like the camping chairs and that, if I'd hand built those. No, I didn't. I actually found them online. There's a couple places you can find different things, but I just went in and typed in 1/24, 1/25 scale diorama items, and it brought up a couple places, and I went and looked, and that's where I get my showgirls. That's where I got my guy that was standing by the pickup. I just had to repaint his shirt and hat, the camping chair, all that all came in a kit. Now, as far as the bull elk in the back of the pickup, I had to do some serious hunting around to find one that actually looked good in the back of that pickup. And it actually came from a place that sold toys. This one just happened to fit perfect for what I was looking for. So I got it. I also bought a set of deer, and the elk came with the moose. Also on that GMC pickup, the light bar. On the light bar on top of the cab, I made that. The way I did it was, I'll show you here on your SKUs where your parts are attached. You know, like this piece here is where there was a part. And I could just snip that off, and I could make a little small light bar out of it. Up here, a little bigger one. I can cut it here and cut it over here, and I can make a light bar out of this. This is molded in black, so it'd work, but it wouldn't work. I usually use the white ones to do that, and I cut it off, sand it, make sure there ain't nothing rough. I'll leave the white part white, and then I'll take my liquid chrome, comes in a little pen like this, and I'll use it to make it look chrome, or I'll use a flat black to make it like the flat black light son-in-law seen it, and he said, "Where'd you get the light bar?" And I said, "I made it." So it kind of fooled him, so it worked. That's about what I got for today. Like I said, I'm working on the wife's Christmas gift. You'll have to wait till after Christmas and I'll show you what it was. Hope all of you have some great days. And hopefully I'll be back on here before Christmas. And if not, you all have a wonderful Christmas. But most of all, smile today, smile tomorrow. You're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Now here's them suggest videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watching for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.